I fall up into your eyes when I least expect it, loose and unrehearsed. Curl myself in cumulus cloud of your hair, pray for rain, pleasant wisdom on this June night. Tangle feet and tussle with my higher self. Tongue bell swings in my ear, songbirds gather. A winged ventriloquist throws my most private thoughts into the air. The music circles our heads, falls softly upon us. We are all feathered and shining. Tonight my love come down like ready watermelon fresh from Georgia field, burst open on my head. Black seed make music seduce, shakerade shimmying in my chest. I hold reservation gripped between my toes and parallel reality. Somewhere, pressed against the floor in loosely Florence sky, a purple sun rises with a peace sign in his mouth. I know this mouth, one long summer, when time was counted by the moon, I filled it with breath and pieces of new sky. The world beyond is here. I am drunk from it all. Tonight, the songbird gave us wings, made it hard to remember we are not lovers. Thank you.